Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm replacing the factory cigarette lighter with a USB charger. I know this isn't a necessary upgrade, but it's a much cleaner solution what I'm using. I have these adapter plugs, but my problem with all of them is that they stick out too much and don't look great. So I got this 10 bucks charger, 10 bucks USB charger with voltmeter. Officially, this is a quick charger aluminum QC 3.0 dual USB car charger with switch button LED voltage display for 12 24 volts, car sport, motorcycle, color name black red light B. This is a cheap USB charger, so let's test its work and how it's look in the dashboard. If you want to do this conversion too, first you need to remove the old one. I remove that when I'm installing the boost gauge, so now I can't show you how it needs to be removed, but there are some methods. This is you need to unscrew that, but there are some when you need just pull out. And yeah, so first you need to pull out the old plugs. And if everything goes smoothly, I just pop the new one in its place. A quick tip before buying: measure your existing socket, because they come in different sizes. So you need the right size. I'm using the original wiring, but if you prefer, you can run a new positive wire while the ground just needs to be connected to bare metal on the chassis, like a screw or something else. In my case, the pressure gauge is also powered from here, so I just connect both wires and install the new charger. So I'm going to cut off the original connector, join the wires together, and shrink wrap them for a secure connection. It also comes with a fused positive wire. So I connected the wires together, so now I just need to hiding the cable somewhere. I think it's going to, this goes back in this plastic. I need to find a good way, but now we're gonna test it, the new charger. So now it's in place, all wired up, time to test it. So I turn the ignition on and the boost gauge is working and it displays the voltage. Now the only question is, does it charge the phone? So I put it to the USB, I put the cable on and I put the cable on, and let's find out it's charged the phone. So check this out. Yes, it's charging and okay, it's good. So it's charged very well. And when I turn the engine on, let's see, it's and the voltmeter is working too. So this is a good conversation. It works perfectly and it looks much cleaner than those bulky adapters. As you can see, replacing it isn't difficult, and now the car looks a bit more modern, I think, and it's easier to charge my phone.